I wanna jam it with you. We're jamming, jamming, and I hope you like jamming too. In the room they go by, we can do it anyhow. Ah, you know we'll see you through, 'cause every day we pay the price. Turn it down, please. Hey guys, welcome to another Yardie Belly vlog. Yeah, road trip was saying. It's another road trip, guys, but this one is a little bit different, a little bit. It's a little bit more special because we are leaving out of the FL. That was her name? The FL? Hey guys, we're heading out of Florida for the very first time in years. Well, like on the road. I mean, we're leaving Florida by a road trip style for the first time in a number of years. So it's interesting. It's special. I mean, the trip is long, but it's still very interesting to see the different the landscapes and just the awesomeness and the expanse of the land. So yeah, we're just taking you guys a little bit with us. Not really sure what the weekend will hold, but just like how we don't know, and we're gonna find out. We're gonna go find out too. As usual, I'm there. Josh the reel in the back. Hello. If you answer I said peace. Not you, Josh. Wow.
I'm busy, I'm driving. Like, my two hands on the steering. I'm you know.
So you have a thing for drive?
Yeah. I can't be distracted.
I can't multitask.
No.
Okay then, you heard it from the man himself. Sooner or later. It just took way longer.
Yeah, but you know, at least you could see things. No, the highway just, we're running into traffic.
tell where we're going?
No.
We're in Myrtle Beach, you guys. Yes, Myrtle Beach, Florida. What am I saying? Myrtle Beach, North Carolina. South Carolina. Yeah. And we're here for a wedding. Yes, your extraordinaire MC will be doing his thing at the wedding.
Use the right lane to take the South Carolina 22 westward.
So here, it's been a chill, little quiet time so far. We've been doing a little bit
Continue
of
for half a mile.
nothing. Just relaxing, chilling, maxing, cooling out, eating some big ball outside of a school right there. So we're heading to the venue. If there's anything
In a quarter mile,
vlog-worthy,
continue on to South Carolina 22 west, Conway bypass.
if there's anything vlog-worthy, we will be vlogging. But if not, yeah, you all wasted your time.
When you need affordable health care for all ages and stages, choose Molina.
So after driving up and, you know, doing my thing at the wedding, which wasn't vlog worthy, it was just, you know, a private thing, we jumped in the car promptly the very next morning and we decided to head south. So, as I said, this is just a quick vlog. Quick vlog.
You know, fear. Attack is a distraction, you know. The enemy only attack you when something good is going on for you. Nobody get that before? My God. Anybody just get that daily warning, baby?
So on our way home, we took the back road on US 17 all the way from South Carolina, and I just stopped at this beautiful place. It's a Carolina Cherry Company. Yeah, Carolina Cherry Company, and they make delicious, you know, baked products, apple cider, peach cider. And I just wanted to show a little bit of this, so I'm gonna take you guys in and show you a little bit of what they have. And yeah, come with me. So far, let me just give you an update. So far, our entire trip was business, and so we didn't vlog. There wasn't much to vlog. We just kept it real and just do what we have to do. But on our way home, we just wanted to show you a little bit of the road. Again, it's mainly landscape, it's mainly just the scenery. And so whatever little clips we show, that's what we had to show. But this place, we're gonna grab some stuff and then we can talk about that we're gonna try all of the pecans and different little brickle, and if we can get some apple cider, I may get it. Whatever we can get, yeah, and we see what we're going. So come with me now. so this is the place, and I'm telling you guys, it's okay. It's a quaint little spot, you know, off the highway. All right, so if you're ever in this vicinity, check it out, the Carolina Cherry Company, and I'm gonna show you some of the stuff that we got in a little while. All right, remember me telling you. So we got some pecans, roasted and salted pecans, and we also had some bourbon pecans, and we also got some garlic, pickled garlic. And by the way, just a disclaimer, the company is called Carolina Cider Company, but on the sign that they have, it's Carolina Cherry Company. So mix up and blend that. But the pickled garlic, unusual, you have to try. I tell you the truth. Yeah man, it worth it. It worth it.
Okay, so we're in the car now, and we went to the Carolina Cherry Company, and I got this chips that I saw. It says low country kettle potato chips made in Charleston, and it's Carolina Reaper flavor. And if you know anything about that, that's like the spiciest pepper like in America, or I'm pretty sure like it's like at least top 10 in like the world. And when I asked the lady, she said it was like pretty spicy. So we're gonna try it right now.
You and your mom, you mean?
We're all gonna try it, and we're gonna tell you guys what we think about it.
Your mom is gonna try it too. She better.
So stay tuned. Okay, so we're gonna open it now. It smells spicy. No,
For real?
It smells spicy like a little. It smells good though. You see the inside. Oh, it looks red like in the camera. Like spicy. Okay, so now I'm gonna try it, and everyone else is gonna try it too. Okay, now we're gonna try it. You can see it right here. It looks like a regular potato chips with spice flavor or something. Tastes pretty good.
Is it spicy? Yeah?
You can taste it?
Alright, give me more. Bruh.
You can taste the kick of it, but
it's not that spicy?
yeah.
Alright, put me on, let me see.
It's not like super spicy. It tastes like those like dill flavors.
Yeah. That made it feel like it's more salty than spicy.
That lady said, "Oh, it's spicy. Be careful." Really?
Like not. She should have said, "Oh, it's not spicy. It's salty." That would more raise my blood pressure.
Well, it still tastes pretty good though.
Yeah. What do you think, babe? It have a little bit of kick in the back end, like when you swallow, but overall,
It has a lemony taste, a tangy.
yeah, I couldn't eat a whole bag of it because I feel like it's too salty. But yeah,
Salty smoky.
that's the first thing we're gonna try. And I bought some pecans because Georgia is like peach and pecan country. So I bought some pecans, and then we bought pickled garlic
Yeah.
and cherry juice. Cherries, a cherry juice or smoothie or cider? Which one?
When you swallow, it is actually
Some
like
cherry
that.
slushy.
Okay.
Yep. So stay tuned for that. But this, it's good if you're hungry. It still tastes good. Soon we're gonna try Real Carolina Reaper Challenge.
Yeah, right.
Which challenge?
About Carolina Reaper Challenge. And you don't want to try the scorpion pepper me having in the freezer?
You never told me to try
I
that.
have Trinidad scorpion pepper in the freezer, and brother.
You never told me to try that.
Joshua, you cannot try that. I ain't gonna take you to the hospital. What a place name? Kusawachi. Kusa Wache. Kusa Wache. Officially in Florida. Yay! We are officially in Florida. So Joshua just forced us to get off the highway because he said he wanted to experience Whataburger. Somebody told him about it and he decided that he wanted to see what it was, and so we drove all the way over here. So I'm just gonna enter in there and see what it's all about. And yeah, so the thing said.
Alright, so this is the Whataburger.
What a burger.
Oh,
Yeah.
Whataburger. Okay. Yeah. I guess it's their traditional signature burger. Yeah, it's huge. I must give them that. And inside is a regular tomato, lettuce, meat. I see some cheese, cheddar cheese looking ingredient in there, and it feels heavy. Feel heavy, I'm not lie. So that is that. Joshua and Yardie got that for their things, for their meal. And then this is my bacon avocado burger. I mean, it's not with a burger bread, it's like a sandwich, regular sandwich bread, but it looks amazing. Avocado, a little bit of cheese, the meat, bacon, and all these things. Yeah. And what is onion rings? Joshua got fries, and they have some sauces. They have spicy ketchup, and they have spicy ketchup. This is honey barbecue sauce, and they have regular ketchup, and this is the spicy ketchup. Whataburger spicy ketchup. Regular fancy ketchup. So time to dig in
while we drive.
Yeah. So my first impression with the sandwich upon first bite. Let's start with the negative. It's not hot. I'm expecting to get a nice hot burger. It's not hot at all. So
Well, the avocado would have cooled it down. So.
really? But the meat by itself, and it's like, you don't have to touch on.
It's just not. It's just
Yeah,
not,
so it's just the fact that it's not cold. It's not hot, rather. That I'm not digging. But maybe it's because it has the cold stuff on it that full up the whole sandwich.
I'm about to try mine. Wait, are you recording? I'm about to try mine. It looks like a Big Mac, to be honest.
And their burger meat is thin, which I like that. It's different.
It tastes like a Big Mac.
Prepare to turn left.
It tastes good, but it literally just tastes like a Big Mac. Like, I don't know. Exactly like it.
You love it? I know.
Please turn right in 200 feet and then immediately turn right.
Love it.
Make a U-turn if possible.
Still tastes good though.
So with that being said, we just took our time and drove home. We left on Friday at around 11 o'clock and we got home on Sunday at around 5 5 o'clock. It was a long drive, 18 hours back and forth, but it was fun to spend time with the family and just enjoy, the weekend. Again, guys, if you want an MC, link me up for your function, your wedding, your party, your anniversary, and all these things. I'm willing and able to do a good job. So check it out. Yeah, like this video, share, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend. Yardie Belly TV is out and about. And hey, just enjoy your life, man. Peace.